Hello friends, I'm Myky and welcome to the Electronic Team channel. In today's guide we will talk about WebDAV client for Mac.
Both my wife and I use Macs. Usually, if we need to share files, we just use AirDrop. But sometimes I'm not at home and don't have any external drives with me. In such a case, I set up a WebDAV server to enable remote access to her Mac.
Why did I go through this hassle, you may ask? Well, it's because I use CloudMounter, which among other cloud storage services supports WebDAV on Mac. Let me show you how I connect to the WebDAV server using it.
First, launch CloudMounter. In the Connections window, select WebDAV icon. You'll find several fields to fill in the connection name in the Name field. By the way, you can type any name you wish here. The address of your connection in a WebDAV URL field, username and password. Once you've entered all these details, you can mount WebDAV on Mac by clicking the Connect button. That's it. Now, the files on your WebDAV server are accessible on your Mac right from Finder. What's cool is that CloudMounter supports an unlimited number of not only WebDAV servers, but also other cloud storages. I also use Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox for personal files. All storages connected through CloudMounter allow seamless file transfers between them. For instance, if I need to transfer files from WebDAV to my Google Drive, I simply copy or drag and drop files into required folder.
You can find the video tutorial on how to connect cloud storages via CloudMounter here.
It's worth noting that you're simply transferring files between storages. There's no need to manually download them to your Mac and then upload them elsewhere. This process now requires minimal effort. And let's not forget about security. With CloudMounter, I can encrypt files in the connected storages using a 256-bit encryption key with a password.
By the way, I also have a video about encryption here.
As you can see, connecting a WebDAV server to your Mac or Windows, as CloudMounter is also available for Windows, is no longer a challenge and is not complicated.
Oh, don't forget to check out the discount coupon the developers provided. You will find it in the video description. Thank you for watching and until next time.